Hi, what's up guys? It's me again, Maria. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you guys how you can link or embed your videos using Canva to any platform you want, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or your podcast. If you want to embed it or link it to your website, let's go to Canva and I'll show you how to do it. Without any further ado, let's do this. Alright, so now we are on Canva homepage, and here on the search bar you're gonna type like a website. Okay, type the keyword website and it will give you templates for the website that you want to use. So there are many templates here that you can choose from. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will just choose a template. Okay, let's say I'm gonna use this one. Okay, just click that, and then I'm gonna delete this one because we're gonna put the video that you want to, and here is I'm gonna delete this one too later on so we can put other text from there. If you don't need it, just delete it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're going here on the left side. There are so many icons here. What you're gonna do is just to click these three dots here, which is more, and then you will see the YouTube. You will see there are so many media here that you can import your video, but in this tutorial I'm gonna use the YouTube, and then you're going to put here on the search bar the URL for your YouTube channel. Okay, for example, I'm going to my YouTube channel, and then choose the video that you want to upload or embed. Like for example, I'm gonna put this one, and I'm going to get the URL. I'm going to copy the URL. Okay, just this one. Just copy that, and then go back to your here, and here paste it, and then it will appear your the specific video that you want to. So just scroll down here. So this is the video that I want. So I'm just gonna drag it here. I don't need this. So now here is the video. So here is how you can embed your video to your website or other platforms. Okay, so here you see there is a play button here. So people want to see this one, they're just gonna click this one, and then your video is gonna play. So let's say you're gonna put some text here on the top. Okay, let's say watch this tutorial. All right, and then we're gonna do is just to move over here. Oh, sorry, long spell. watch the watch this tutorial. Just move it a little bit up over there, and you can make this bigger if you want to, and you can change the color of the text that you want for this video. All right, so now we'll already attach the link for this. So if you want to play this one, let's preview first before you publish your website. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click this one, and let's see if we'll play. All right, so now you see it's now playing. All right, so if you want to attach this to your website, just find the video that you want to your website or to your landing page so that people will click on it, and then they can watch that video. Okay, so another example that I want to share with you guys is this one. So if you just want to make a link for your video, for example, or go to your uploads, and then you design your website like this, and I will make a little bit smaller. So go again to your videos here on YouTube, and find the video that you want. If you just want to put some images and then just link it to the video, like for example some of your thumbnails. So find the thumbnails here that you want to, like for example this one. This is not a video, this is an image of my this is a thumbnail of my video. So I'm gonna click this one and drag it over here. Okay, what you're gonna do is to click this thumbnail and click this link icon here on top. Just click this one and go to your YouTube channel and find that video that you want them to click on. Okay, so I'm going back to my channel and I'm going to find that video. Where is it? Okay, like this one. What you're gonna do is just to click that one and then find the URL. Okay, so all you're gonna do is just to copy this URL, copy, and then go back to Canva and paste over here. Paste the link here, and now you will see that this is already, even though they don't have a play button here, but once they click it, it will send them to the video of this thumbnail. Okay, so to see and to just to test if this works, just go to preview, and then you will see if you click this, one, it will send them to your video on YouTube. All right, so that's the other way that you can do or embed your video to your website, to your landing page, or to whatever platform you are using. Okay, so now here let's so people don't know if this, if they click this one, they're gonna, watch the video. So for people to know that they need to click this one, you're gonna go to text and then add some email or some text there, like click it or click here. Okay, click here and then put this one a little bit somewhere here or somewhere here. Okay, you can choose the font that you want, and then you can also put some elements here. Let's put some elements. Okay, let's say some arrows. Okay, like arrows like this. If you put this arrow here, so they know where to click it, just I think put over here and pointed to this thumbnail. Alright, so now when they said, when they see click here, if they click this one, that means that it will uh, show them the video of this image or of this thumbnail. So this is the two ways that you can uh, link and embed your video to your video on YouTube, on your platform, whatever platform you want to share your video, like for example Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. All you gotta do is just to link it. If you want this one, just link the URL or embed it so that you will get this play button for them to just click it and it's gonna play. Okay, so let's preview this one. Okay, so watch this tutorial, and once they click this one, they're gonna see the video itself, the tutorial for that video. Okay, so what about this one? It says, okay, let's close this one and let's go to the other one. Okay, I'm gonna preview this one again, and let's go to the next page. So now on the next page it says click here, and you have an arrow because there's no play button here, so people don't know if this is just an image or just a thumbnail, things like that. So once you see, even though there's no a play button here, once they click this one, it will send to your video on YouTube. All right, so that's how you can embed your links to your website using embedding your URL, or just create a link like this.